Hey guys, this is Sheri Ann Richerson from Experimental Homesteader, and today I am going to be talking to you about the Stella Chewy's Sea-licious Salmon and Cod dinner morsels. Now, I did receive this for free from Chewy.com. I am a Chewy.com influencer, so I was able to choose what I wanted to pick, and I chose this for my cats because it is wild caught salmon and cod. It has no added hormones or antibiotics, no grains, no artificial preservatives or colorings. Plus, it's enhanced with probiotics, which I really, really liked. It is freeze-dried. This is a quarter cup of the morsels. And to this, according to the package directions, I would just add 1 ounce of hot water here on top, and let that soak up for a little bit. And then we are going to give this to the cats and see how well they like it. I actually do have 2 bowls here because I have 2 cats. So I will be letting this soak up for a few minutes, and then I will be feeding. Okay, so I have this set up on the floor. It only took a couple minutes to get this to absorb the water. This is one of my cats coming to check it out. Let's see if we can get Blackie. Blackie! Kiki! This is Gray. And here comes Blackie. Uh-oh. I was hoping they would go for separate bowls. Yep, there they go. Gray is not a big eater. Blackie usually is. They have never had anything like this. So, okay, there we go. They are both definitely eating. Okay, I think Gray's going to sit and look. We'll see. Blackie most definitely loves this. Gray is a finicky eater even when I give him little pieces of, or her little pieces of meat and stuff. So the fact that she is just checking this out does not surprise me at all. It does have a very, very strong fish smell, so just so you're aware of that, it doesn't bother me, but I did want to mention that. Gray has pulled a piece out and is playing with it. Are you going to eat it, Gray? As you can see, like I said, Blackie definitely likes it. I think once Gray starts to eat and gives it a try, it will be fine. but I will keep watching and see what happens and report back. Okay, I did switch the bowls several times to let Blackie kind of mush it down a little bit because Gray only wanted to play. I also had to put a little bit on my finger and get Gray to take it off my finger, and now she is also going nuts in the bowl. Blackie has not stopped eating. When I switched bowls, he started to follow the bowl, and then when he realized what I was doing, he went back over to his side. So I definitely think we have approval here, and I'm really glad because it's really important to me to feed my pets as naturally as I possibly can, and this seems like a really good product. It doesn't take a lot. The instructions say half a cup to a cup of water, but as you can see, I did a quarter cup to an ounce of water, and that's working out fine for my cats, and I think they're going to be pretty satisfied when they get done eating. So anyway, again, this was a sponsored post. I am an influencer for Chewy.com. I did receive this for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. Thanks for watching and have a great night.